Oh my god, weebs. There's a freaking shrine maiden! There's a shrine maiden! So welcome to today's vlog, guys, where we are at the Hakone Jinja, the shrine here, which is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna be exploring this whole entire area. Sorry, I'm still mind blown by the maid shrine, the shrine maiden. Inuyasha, where you at, buddy? Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be checking this place out. It's beautiful. These gates here go all the way down to the lake and into the water, and it's just such an amazing sight. But yeah, we're gonna explore. We're gonna talk a little bit about Japanese culture and shrines and what happens here and stuff. Some of these trees are like hundreds and hundreds of years old. It's really cool. And yeah, let's get to it. Oh, the Evo.
You need to throw a heart.
I missed it. We're fine. So we were gonna go down here and just check it out, but these are couples all waiting to get their couple picture under the sign, under the gate here. Isn't that so romantic?
We can take a photo with the line there.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna look up a stock picture on Google and Photoshop ourselves in there later. There's literally like a photographer set up down there who probably just charges them money and then emails them a picture. Oh boy, we need to come back here on a weekday when it's not busy.
It's a weekday.
Yeah, no, but it's busy because it's a holiday coming up. So everyone takes like time off and specifically makes it like a 4-day weekend. Anyways, it is a beautiful place, so maybe we'll walk down around the side of the river and just film a bit more, and then we'll head up to the shrine possibly when I feel like I've got a bit more energy. The scenery here is so beautiful. We've even got a whole bunch of Magikarp here. I was sitting here before and literally you just pat them and they come right up to you. I'm pretty sure these fish are like illegal in Australia. They're such an invasive. No, they're not really called Magikarp. I'm making a Pokemon joke.
Okay, I'm like, hold on.
You know this fish is illegal in Australia because they're such an invasive species?
Really? To what?
That's cool. Pure white one, that's super rare.
It's eating the leaf. It's eating the leaf.
Yeah. You can literally just go and touch them. They're super nice. See? Look. I don't know if the camera could see that, but see if we can trick them to thinking it's food. Nope. Smart carps. So many. They're so big too. It's crazy that in such a small amount of water they get this big. Exactly why they're an invasive species, I guess. So we're just taking a little break right now, and we ordered, the shrine has like this little udon shop here, and they sell a red udon. So, oh, you're getting your apron on. All right then. So yeah, I'm pretty psyched. Looks like there's some cabbage, some negi, spring onion, and a little bit of nori seaweed. And a whole bunch of udon and these little crunchy rice things. A lot of spice though. I'm pretty excited. Are you excited for this? I'm not gonna lie.
I'm ready.
You look ridiculous. So it is a seafood-based udon. And it seems like it's going to be pretty spicy, but itadakimasu. It's good. It's not spicy at all.
What soup is it based?
Whoa, that got a kick. I don't know, it's like a sweet seafood kind of taste. But it's also spicy. It's hard to explain. It's good though. It looks like an ugly mess, but it tastes really good. Sushi. Well, we've just left the shrine. This is the walkway here that goes down to that big red gate that's down by the water. So you literally cross over the main road down there. And that's the line. Oh my God, the line's all the way up to the road now. That's some next level romantic couples. Anyways, we're gonna go check out a waterfall now, and then after the waterfall we're probably gonna go to Hakone Turnpike, which is like a big meeting spot for a lot of drifters and toge races and stuff for the Hakone Toge. So come along with us on this journey in my bumpy Skyline and squeaky Skyline. It's just because I got so many solid bushings and spherical bearings and all that kind of stuff in the front end, so it squeaks a lot whenever I hit bumps and stuff. But we're going to try and find a coffee first because we are kind of falling asleep and really exhausted. So let's do that, and then we'll pick it up when we're at the waterfall, I guess. So we made it to Hakone Turnpike. The view here is incredible. Have you ever been up here before?
No.
It's beautiful. All right, we're gonna have to definitely send the drone up. You look, there's a swing, babe. We can go swing on the swing together and get a nice romantic photo.
No.
Isn't it funny how Japan literally has that kind of couples thing everywhere? It's like date destinations, right? Yeah.
In love. Sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love.
Well, the drone, I clicked return to home and it was coming home, but it couldn't make it back in time, so I just had to tell it to land on the side of the road.
Has it happened to you before?
Never happened before. It was really far out, I guess. I didn't realize it was so far out. Now we have to go save the drone. The battery literally has 1%. It's right there. There it is. Oh my god. How I got it to land there is a miracle.
You couldn't find it. I helped you find it.
Yeah, I couldn't see it in the sky. I really needed to know where it was going.
Oh man. And it's not a Lucas vacation when we don't have a freak.
Like ducking and weaving in and out of these power lines while it was coming down. I flew it in through like here on the ankle and like just brought it down on the other side of this little emergency stop bay.
Yeah. Good job, Content Master 64.
Hey, wait. What? Who's that? Where? Dude, I cannot believe I didn't like clip a tree or anything. It was coming in so hard and fast. I thought I was going to lose my drone, man. Ah. We got it.
Ta-da!
It was so far out, dude. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go get the new battery, put it in and send it up again.
No!
So somehow, May's favorite car is here. This one's a little bit special though, it's on 19s. No. These are actually my favorite Volk racing wheels. I've just never seen them in 19s. Pretty crazy. This RX8 is actually pretty unique. It's got some Tommy Kaira seats in there, which I thought was cool. Bell works, quick release, nice wheel. Not too bad. Decent wang game. But this one actually has the turbo renaissance in there. So it's got a bunch of work done to it. I think it was tuned by Riyamiya, I think is how it's pronounced, which is pretty sick. Carbon fiber hood. Would this be the kind of RX8 you want? Looks kind of stylish, right? Pretty cool.
Get it navy.
A lot of people give the RX8 a lot of crap, including myself, but they really are a driver's car. They may not look great, like they're definitely not like a flex car, but they really handle amazingly. So I'll give them that. Nice big intercooler in there for the turbo. It's pretty sick. We might pop the engine bay. Let me just go check with the owner. So we got the hood popped here. Pretty cool. There's a little tiny snail buried down in there. You can kind of just see it in there. It's cute. It's crazy how much space is in here. Literally, the engine's behind the strut brace. Really simple. There's a few upgraded parts here and there. Bit of heat management. It's nice. From what the owner told me was it's roughly making, when it was dynoed, about 300 horsepower, which is a lot for this chassis actually. It'd feel really good. Not too bad. So we're inside the little turnpike building here. This used to be known as the Mazda Turnpike, apparently. I just think it's funny to have some initial D stuff here.
Like, come on!
doing? So apparently this swing is
Supposed to be a romantic spot.
romantic spot. When you swing this with the person you like, you know, you get to be with them forever kind of thing.
Can we sit on it?
It's kind of scary. It's too big, isn't it? It's meant for 2 people.
Yeah, it's meant for 2 people. Come on. There we go. Kawaii? Kawaii? Kawaii じゃないよ. Alright, you ready? Jump off. It is pretty slippery, not gonna lie, that's pretty dangerous. So we're just cruising right now, going for a little bit of a drive along the mountain range. We're gonna go to this really cool spot because I want to go and take a nice thumbnail there, and I've never been in this area. Look, Annabelle's ES15 everywhere, babe. In the trees.
Yeah.
Anyways. Well guys, it's actually the next day now. I didn't end up filming anymore after that, and we just had a really good night. We went and had another really good dinner and pretty much just chilled out. And then today we decided to sleep in a fair bit, late checkout, and now we're currently on our way home. So, really nice getaway weekend. Did you have a good time, babe?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Right? We should do this more often. We always say this, but do we ever do it? This time,
it's your fault.
It's my fault, okay. Well, all right, that aside, oh, I'm getting a call, but I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Ciao, mata.